Welcome to LFA's video on unboxing your new TDP5. In this video we're going to be covering how your TDP5 will be delivered, what to look out for, and how to initially set up your press. Upon delivery, your TDP5 will arrive in a wooden shipping crate. Before signing, ensure that there's no substantial damage to the outside of the box, and if there is, refuse the delivery. Although most of LFA's products do arrive on time and in good condition, occasionally damage by the couriers has been reported. It's difficult for us to file a claim if the item has been signed for in good condition. When handling your press, we suggest using good lifting practices and safety equipment such as gloves and safety boots where possible. The TDP5 weighs approximately 125 kilos, so we suggest using appropriate lifting equipment. To get inside your shipping crate, you need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer to prise open the clips around the base of the box. First, place your screwdriver in the band around the base of the box and twist to loosen the metal. Next, place your screwdriver or wedge into the clips and prise it downwards. Finally, hammer the clips downwards till they're 90 degrees. You'll find 10 of these clips around the base. Once the clips have been adjusted, simply lift up the box from the base. Please keep your shipping crate just in case for any reason you'd like to return your press. The tablet press will be wrapped to ensure it's protected and sealed. Remove the wrap around your press and then carefully remove the hopper, which is tucked inside. Inside your hopper you'll find your de-jamming bar and your ejection tray. Place these to one side and unwrap your hopper. Your TDP5 will be attached to the crate base with 3 bolts. Take a spanner and remove the bolts. Your press can now be moved to its new position. It's also important to do some checks before operating your TDP5. First, check the belt tension to ensure it's not too loose or too tight. The tension can be adjusted by turning this bolt anti-clockwise, which will move the motor. If you find your press is jammed during operation, you can use your de-jamming bar by placing it into one of the holes on the drive wheel and reversing the press's cycle. See our other videos for a full guide. Next, remove the 2 bolts from the front of the base plate using a screwdriver. Place the base plate on and secure with the 2 bolts you just removed. Take your hopper and put it into place. Also inside your shipping crate you'll find your LFA guide to your TDP press, as well as your warranty certificate that will have your press's unique serial number. The serial number can also be located on the information plate on your press. Rotate the flywheel by hand, checking for any debris around the base plate, die and punches. For more information, videos and guides, please get in contact at www.lfatabletpresses.com.